Steve and Roger kissed. He got pregnant with Roger's child. Stan gave up his job. He took Steve to Mexico to have the baby. A week earlier, Stan's family went to church for an event. Stan was brutally humiliated by his arch-nemesis Morley. After the deacon choked and died suddenly on the podium, Stan decided to compete with Morley for the new deacon position. When he got home, he found Roger constantly spurting milk. His milk accidentally fell into the potato salad. The world's most delicious salad was born. Stan used the salad's addictive properties to win over believers. He threatened Roger to keep producing milk to make salad, but during Stan's speech, they ran out of salad. He fed Roger a huge basin of candy to make Roger continue producing milk. As demand for the salad grew bigger and bigger, Roger was strapped to a machine. They kept force-feeding food into his mouth to ensure Roger could produce milk 24/7 non-stop. Exhausted, Roger passed out. He was revived by Steve with mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. Stan successfully won the deacon election, but Steve got pregnant with Roger's baby from the mouth-to-mouth. Stan gave up his deacon position. He took Steve to Mexico to have the baby. After Steve kissed a female classmate, the baby transferred into the girl's body.